get shot!
Fire! Shots fired!
Two shocking incidents that will leave you speechless. In the first case, what starts as a simple roadside assist turns into a tragic loss. A convicted felon, stranded with a flat tire, takes advantage of an officer's kindness in the worst way possible. This brutal act sets off a massive statewide manhunt. In the second case, a routine traffic stop takes a dangerous turn when officers discover the driver is one of the FBI's most wanted fugitives. What begins as a casual conversation quickly escalates into a tense confrontation. These are the real events captured on police body cam. March 25, 2024, Interstate 40, New Mexico AT 4:30 a.m., 32-year-old convicted felon Jeremy Alexander Smith was stranded on the side of Interstate 40 near mile marker 318. His BMW had a flat tire and he desperately attempted to flag down passing motorists for help, but no one stopped. A call was made to law enforcement, and New Mexico State Police Officer Justin Hare was dispatched to assist. At 5:04 a.m., he arrived on the scene.
6-6 taking care of B97. Hey, bud.
Got a flat tire, you can help me?
What are you needing?
Just a tire. I need a ride to the store, you get me there.
Okay, I can get you back to town real quick, but nobody's open tonight.
As Officer Hare turns, Smith suddenly pulls out a firearm and shoots him in the
Go to the
neck.
front of my car real quick. I'll meet you up there real quick. I'll get...
The officer collapses onto the pavement. Struggling to breathe, his last sounds are caught on his own body camera. Smith then jumps into the squad car and speeds away, leaving the wounded officer behind. Emergency alert. It is standard procedure for officers to check in with dispatch upon arrival. When Officer Hare failed to respond, an emergency alert was triggered in his unit. Backup officers rushed to the scene, arriving minutes later. They found the abandoned BMW, flat tire and all, but the patrol car was gone, and so was Officer Hare. A statewide manhunt was launched. News outlets spread the story, warning the public that Smith was armed and extremely dangerous. 6 miles down the road, Smith dumps Hare's body before continuing westbound in the stolen police vehicle. Another 6 miles later, he crashes the squad car near mile marker 304 and disappears. The next few hours were critical. Investigators quickly learned that the BMW Smith had been driving belonged to Francia Machado, a South Carolina paramedic who had been reported missing. Her body was later found, executed with a gunshot wound to the head. March 27, 2024, Albuquerque, New Mexico, 2 days after Officer Hare's murder, a convenience store clerk in Albuquerque made a chilling 911 call.
So there's a gentleman that came in. He's an African American. He has a black hoodie with a brown beanie. Came in and bought some cigarettes, and when I looked at his ID, his first name was Jeremy. His ID came from South Carolina, and it looked just like the guy that shot the officer, the state police officer.
Store clerk, there's a guy here, African American, black hoodie, brown pants. He bought cigarettes, and when I saw his ID, it said Jeremy from South Carolina. I swear he looks just like the guy who shot that officer. Deputies from the Bernalillo County Sheriff's Office responded immediately, tracking Smith down to a residential area nearby.
Where's he at? Did you hear him?
I heard the gate open. Drop that trash can.
Hey, get over here! I made contact and he's behind 3135. Stop running!
As officers close in, Smith refuses to surrender. Shots are fired.
He's going to be running. Just jump defenses. That way, that way, that way. He's this way. He's this way, Sarge. Shots fired. Where's he at? Sarge, where's he at? Where'd you last see him, Sarge?
Right here.
Go inside.
You went this way.
Go inside. Go inside. Yeah, go inside. Did he jump up here? He's right here. Stop moving. Stop. Stop. I'm gonna get shot.
Fire, shot fired.
Quit moving. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over.
You guys okay?
Yeah. Roll over.
Okay. I got a gun right here. You just threw it over. All right, let's move up.
Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. What the is going on with this gun?
That's the one across the Can we double check all 3 person report this time?
Don't move.
I got it.
20 is 8412.
Here we go. What's your name, bro? Go.
8412 Lost Desert. 8412 Lost Desert.
You taking me away.
After that, I have no potential.
Hey, gun. Shut down the road, dude.
What's your name, bro? You Jeremy? Real in this?
Yeah, man.
Give me that.
I ain't got nothing.
You got something else? You got his ID, Jeremy Alexander Smith.
After a brief but chaotic chase, Smith is taken down. He is shot 4 times before being handcuffed. Paramedics rush him to the hospital. Once treated, he is transferred to the county jail where he faces multiple charges, including the murder of Officer Hare and Foncia Machado. His trial is set for September 22, 2025. Officer Hare was laid to rest on March 27, 2024. He is survived by his longtime girlfriend and 3 children, one of whom was still unborn at the time of his death. Second incident, FBI's most wanted fugitive, caught in a traffic stop Lady Lake, Florida. A local officer conducts a routine traffic stop behind a Papa John's restaurant. The driver? A construction worker in an old truck with an expired tag. Or so it seemed.
Turn that. You're good. Okay. All right. Hands up. Thank you. Driver's license, registration, insurance.
Okay.
Thank you. You got any weapons in the vehicle?
I don't think so.
Okay. So whose truck is this?
Joe Michaels. I'm an employee.
Okay.
As the officer runs the tags, something doesn't add up. The plates don't match the vehicle. There's no record of registration, no insurance, and the driver only has an out-of-state ID that looks suspicious.
Okay. But as the driver of the vehicle, you're responsible for it. You have to make sure that it's legal.
I don't know all
Which is why I'm going to ask you for your insurance, your registration
She'll get
as
it all.
well.
She'll get
And
it.
she's okay. Great.
I work right, not trying to turn fast toward you. Right here at Lady Lakes, we're putting the pot bellies on.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is that? What kind of restaurant is that?
It's Sandwich Shop. I've been working there for 5 months putting that place on.
It's kind of like Subway. Yeah.
Oh. All right.
It's open Saturday. Or
And we're open
Saturday and
Saturday.
Wednesday.
No, get my updated one.
I don't have your updated one.
Sure.
That's all
Give
I
me 1
have.
second, please.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know where the information on the truck is. I don't know that stuff, you know.
Well, good thing you got her with you, huh?
Well, we've been there, like I said, for 5 months sometime.
Okay, hold on. It's in here. I just see it.
How you been?
Is that your license?
Outdated ones. She's gonna find it real quick. Give me a second. I got
Okay. Do you have a Florida license?
it. No.
No. Where do you live?
Okay, so no, you don't. What's up there?
I ain't getting shot looking for stuff, so.
I'm just saying.
Hang on. It's all here.
That's not for the man.
My eyes ain't good. Just give it a second.
This is from work. This is a delivery I got.
No, but look, come on.
All right, so you don't have registration, you don't have insurance, and all you have is an out-of-date driver's license?
I got it. No, my driver's license up to date.
Okay.
This is my
But that's the one that you have is an out-of-date.
Yeah,
I mean, we could call the old owner of the truck.
And the tag that's attached to this truck does not belong on this truck. And I'm going to go check the sticker as soon as I get another officer here because it doesn't look right to me. It looks odd. I'm just going to say that. So
I'm just driving. I don't know.
Okay.
Can I get in trouble for that?
Absolutely.
What kind of trouble?
As you're the driver of the vehicle, you're responsible for it. It should be in legal status as you're driving it down the road. So if the tag attached isn't a sign and you can't provide me a tag for it, it's going to get towed.
Oh, come on.
I can't let you drive a vehicle on the road. You can't provide me insurance. You have no valid registration. The tag that's attached to it is not assigned to this vehicle. It's a non-licensed. It's not a licensed vehicle. You can't drive it on the road.
Maybe someone swap tags. I don't know. You can check it. It should be legal. But nothing else. Can I park it right under work right here? My work's right there.
We'll talk about that.
Oh, here.
Okay. All right.
What do you got in your wallet? Will you check that for me?
What do I got in my wallet?
No, you have your ID in your wallet. Your valid ID?
Yeah, no, that's the only one he has.
Okay. All right.
Just look it up.
Okay, hang tight for me. I'll be right back.
Backup arrives. One officer notices something odd. The driver has tattoos that match someone on the FBI's most wanted list.
Right here. This explains why.
It was a wrecked truck. Whoever operates
It was a total truck within the.
There's other places you would have been at.
Yeah, I know that.
All right.
I'm not
so we're
going
to have to find it on the vehicle. I need a VIN.
Right there.
Okay.
Is there any weapons or anything like that in the vehicle you're worried about?
There could be, yes. I don't know. That could be. Cause I always got a gun, but I don't know if I brought it.
Go ahead and step out in the vehicle.
That's why I want to touch nothing. I'm trying to tell you waggle. I didn't know.
Sorry, I asked you that earlier if you had any weapons in
I
the
didn't
vehicle.
know.
You told me
Like-
no, and now you
No.
said I could have a gun. I don't know.
Okay, but I don't-
Ma'am, you get back in.
Okay.
You get back in. We're gonna deal with you one at a time.
Okay, you're fine. You're fine. You're
You
fine.
want both of them back there?
You're
All right.
fine.
Walk back here.
Just say we'll get the bumper and box the key.
I got.
You can sit on the bumper and box
Okay, you're fine.
Let me grab his wallet. There's stuff in there with names. It has the same name that he provided here.
Can you step over here more? Step over my door.
Yeah.
Unknown caller.
Hello? So, this guy's on the FBI most wanted list if this is him. But he's kind of changed his fucking description.
It's odd that the tattoo on his leg, he said, was burnt off. Mr. Long, one more thing for me. Can you turn around and lift your shirt? Show this officer your back.
The driver hesitates, then slowly lifts his shirt, revealing the exact tattoos described in the federal warrant.
Here you go. That's good. Nope.
Oh, I'm sorry. What do you want me to do?
Come on.
Side the arm out. Side this arm out. There you go.
And then put your arms behind your back.
What?
Put your hands behind your back.
All right. All right.
Stop
I'm
fucking
not moving.
pulling
I'm
from
not
it,
pulling
okay?
nowhere.
Not.
Back the fuck up.
Stay back.
You
Stay
don't
back.
fucking
Stay
cuss
back.
at me.
Stay back. Stay back.
I have had back
surgery.
surgery. I have had back surgery.
Good for you. Stop yelling. Unless you want to go to jail too.
Shut up. Just
I'm
shut
sure
up.
Missouri would love
Shut
you
up.
for your warrant.
Shut up. Shut up.
Exactly.
Shut up. You're fine.
Are you going to calm down or do you want handcuffs?
She's fine.
You're calm?
We could
Good.
get coming up now, like out of town.
Thank you.
In a minute. Just give me a minute.
Eventually, the suspect is restrained. Officers confirm his identity. He is a fugitive wanted for multiple serious offenses. His run is over. 2 shocking incidents, one tragic, one triumphant. A police officer loses his life in the line of duty, while another routine stop helps capture a high-profile fugitive. This is the unpredictable reality of law enforcement. Stay safe, stay aware. And remember, justice